Hi everybody. I'm calling about my LS steam port kit from Summit Racing, and I was kind of doubtful after reading some of the comments. However, I could see how it's possibly get confused between the two lines. There is a small and a big steam port line, and some people were saying that they were having cross-threading issues. However, if these see perfectly, people in the comment section were saying that they were having problems installing this kit. I've never had any issues personally, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to properly install it on my personal LS motor. So now I'm going to show you how to install the steam port lines. Remember, there's a short and a long line. They come in two separate bags. The one that comes in the single bag is going to go to this fifth nipple. I like to take a little bit of motor oil, put it on the thread. And again, the one that comes in this bag by itself is going to be the one for the fifth nipple. And this is going to go towards the radiator. Now, what in the directions identify as number 3 is going to be the short line. The short line is going to go to the passenger side on the front. And the other one is going to flip-flop to the back driver's side like this. Now the long ones, which come in a separate bag, which the instructions identify as number 4. Again, I take the motor oil for the thread or WD-40, whatever lubricant you want to use. And the first long one goes to the driver's side, not the passenger side. And then again, it flip-flops to the back. So your number 4s are going to be on your front driver's side, and it flip-flops. And your number 3s are your short lines, and they go to the passenger front side and flip-flop to the back. So I have all 3 steam port blocks, and I'm going to show you how to put this last one in. The O-ring right there comes here. Put this like this, German spec, nice and tight. So next I installed my 4 90-degree fittings. I left everything a little loose and did it without the Teflon tape for the purpose of the video to show you how to install the steam port lines. So now I'm going to take the steam port lines with the 5th nipple forward that goes to the radiator, and I'm going to, like I said, everything's a little bit loose so I can do some finagling to the steam port lines. But you're going to go ahead and take your lube and put it on the thread. You should have no cross-threading issues if you lube them up. And like I said, the 90 degrees are moving because I did it without the Teflon tape for the purpose of the video. It's that easy.